How to pay with crypto.com. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's episode I'll be showing you the ways to pay with crypto.com. So if you want to pay using your crypto.com, all you have to do is make sure that you have enough funds and then log in into your crypto.com. Once logged in, tap the bag icon located in the top right hand side corner. Next page, you'll be able to see this kind of interface. So from here you need to go ahead and select pay. As soon as you click the pay button, you'll be able to head over to the other interface of pay. So here you need to tap the scanner button located right in center. Now go ahead and scan the QR code. After that, it's going to show you the detail, and there you need to provide in the amount that you have to pay. And once you're done with that, you also need to select the currency type. On the other interface, you need to review all of the information that you've provided. If you're sure about the information you've provided, then click the submit button or pay button. And that's basically how you can pay with crypto.com. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.